Okay, so this is solving by substitution. Solve the system of equations x plus 3y is equal to 4, and the other equation is negative 2x plus 5y is equal to negative 30. Let's call this as the first equation, this as the second equation, right? I can write the first equation like this: x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now what I have to do is I have to arrange this equation for x. The first step that I can do is subtracting 3y on both the sides. That was the original equation. And if I subtract negative 3y on both the sides, I'll get this and this will cancel out. X is equal to 4 minus 3y. In this way, I have arranged x in terms of y, right? Okay. So this is one equation, or I can call this as a third equation. X is equal to 4 minus 3y. Okay, I'll use the third equation and plug in into the second equation, right? I can plug in, which is, the substitution method, because we are using, or we are learning the substitution method. We can plug in the equation number 3 in equation number 2. Okay, 4 minus 3y is x. So if this is the second equation, x plus 5y is equal to negative 30. I can plug in, instead of x, I can write 4 minus 3y. Negative 2, 4 minus 3y plus 5y is equal to negative 30. If I open up the bracket, which is the distributive law, so I'll get negative 8, negative and negative makes positive, so positive 6y plus 5y is equal to negative 30, right? These are like terms. 11y, 6y plus 5y give me 11y, negative 8 as it is, right? Now I want a value of y, so I can arrange this for y. I'll get 11y is equal to negative 30 plus 8, so negative 22 it is equal to 11y, and y would be equal to negative 22 over 11, which is equal to negative 2, right? In this way I got the value of y, which is negative 2. And now if I can plug in the value of y in the third equation to get the value of x, right? So x is equal to 4 minus 3, and instead of y I can use negative 2. So I'll get 4, negative and negative makes positive, 6 is equal to 10. So solution set that I'll get is 10, because I have to write the value of x first, and this is the value of y, which is negative 2, right? I'll repeat the entire solution. This was the first equation, this was the second equation. Because we are learning substitution method, so I arranged the first equation for one variable. I selected that variable to be x. I said that x is equal to 4 minus 3y. Once I got the third equation, I plugged in that equation into the second equation, right? Whatever I got from x, I plugged that into this equation, which is the second equation, and this is what I got. Instead of this x, I plugged in 4 minus 3y. I solved the like terms, and this is what I got for the value of y, negative 2. Once I got negative 2 for y, I can plug it in any solution or in any equation to get the value of x. The value of x was 10. So the solution set that I got, or the values that I got for x and y, is 10 and negative 2.